Connect to Wi-Fi without password on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to connect to Wi-Fi without the password on Android, simply launch the settings application on your device. After that, scroll down and tap on your Wi-Fi section. And as you tap on Wi-Fi, you can see the scanner up over here at the top right corner of the screen. So as you tap on the scanner option over here, you just have to place the QR code inside the frame and you can just scan the QR of the Wi-Fi and you can just connect to Wi-Fi without any password on Android. Next, if the scanner option does not get available on your device, simply launch the settings application on your device and then tap on About Phone and check if you have any updates available for your device. Now, as you can see on the screen over here, it is checking right now. So just scroll and refresh and make sure that you have the latest version. So check for updates and it says no updates available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.